In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can add friends on your Nintendo Switch 2. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Start off on the home screen and go up to the top left corner and you're going to see your little profile icon right here. Go ahead and click on it and you'll see your friends list. Essentially, if you want to add a friend, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is select the add friend option right here. Once you select that, you'll see several options. You're going to see your incoming friend request. You're going to see, the search with friend code. This is by far the most common way to actually search for someone because your friend code is shown at the bottom of your screen. As you can see, mine's kind of long. So essentially give your code to someone so that they can add you or enter in their code and send them a request. But if you played online games like Mario Kart or Mario Tennis or really any other multiplayer game, players that you recently played with may also appear in the search players that you played with section, but you could also search for local users and of course your sent friend requests as well. But that is it. That is how you can add friends here on a Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.